In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Monday.com. Let's start right at the beginning. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel where all your boards are listed. From there, click on the specific board where you want to set up your reminder. This could be a project board, a personal task board, or any workspace where you track your items. Make sure you're on the correct board because the reminder will only apply to items on this board. Next, you need a date column on your board because reminders are based on dates. If you don't already have one, go to the very last column on your board and click the small plus icon. A menu will appear with different column types. Search for date or scroll until you find it, then click to add it. You'll now see a new date column added to your board. To add a deadline to an item, click on an empty cell in that date column for the relevant row. A calendar will pop up. Choose the due date you want from this calendar. If you also want to set a specific time, look for the small clock icon in the top right corner of that calendar window. Click it and then set the exact time the task is due. This is helpful if you need reminders at a particular hour, not just on a particular day. Once your dates are in place, move your cursor up to the header of the date column. Hover over the column name until you see a small More Options icon appear, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon. A menu will open. From there, hover over Settings, then move to Set Date Notifications, and then choose Explore All Integrations. A pop-up window will appear. On the left side, select the Dates category. You'll now see a list of automation templates that relate to dates and reminders. For this walkthrough, choose the template called When Date Arrives Notify Someone and click Use Template to open it in the automation editor. Inside the editor, click on the word When. Here, you can decide exactly when the notification should go out. You can choose to send it at a certain time on the actual due date or a specific number of days before that date at a chosen time. Next, click on the word Date in the sentence. Select the date column you added earlier so the automation knows which date to monitor. Now, click on Notify to customize the notification message. Type in a clear reminder, like task is due today, or anything that makes sense for your workflow, then click Done. Then click on the word Someone and pick who should receive the notification. This can be you, a teammate, or any person assigned to the work item. When everything looks good and reads the way you want, click Create Automation. Your reminder is now active, and Monday.com will automatically send notifications based on the dates and rules you just set up.